Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS, Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 26th April till 2nd to May 2021. No timeless readings, okay? Let's start now. General universal reads, so may or may not resonate with everyone if you're at the same time. I'm getting this vibe of like, I can actually hear the sound of the engine, like the train is coming, it's reaching. Maybe there's a visit, maybe there's your travel, maybe you are going somewhere or someone is coming to meet you. For some cases, yes. It is also some kind of signal someone might be giving you in a love situation or in your situation, however it pertains with you. There's also something that is the signal to end something, okay? And I'm hearing to begin with, you need to end something. So maybe there's something new that's going to start in this time frame. I'm also hearing as if the knob of the door, okay? Someone is doing like this, a round gold knob. So maybe you're meeting someone somewhere as in a halt situation. They're taking it like for some time. Maybe you are doing it. Or someone is visiting. There's a knob and someone is opening the knob, okay? It's that kind of thing. Just give me a second. Okay, so there is something that someone is opening. The door, opening, actually. Okay, just don't think that, oh, what she's saying and all that. I mean, that's how messages come, okay? I don't want to edit it. Anyways, what? Something is like, it's like I felt as if like on a shoulder, like something. So maybe there's tap on the shoulder, or there is someone who's tapping on the door, knocking on the door. Okay, I don't know. Someone is reaching and they are coming from, like, they took a long journey here. I'm feeling like after either a long time you're going somewhere, someone is visiting you. This is a long journey that someone actually took. Real, okay? I feel that tired. There's a tired journey. Someone is like, and then keeping the stuff like that, okay? That's what. Or maybe you are returning home, or you are visiting somewhere that belongs to you. That's what I see. I feel like a tap on the shoulder. What is happening? I don't know. Maybe you are going to surprise someone, or someone's gonna surprise you. It may be something like, I'm here, that kind of energy, okay? Interesting. You have autumn energy as 10 of Wands energy. I'm hearing the words, no more bringing up. Okay, so whatever it is, it's final, it's done. It's something connected with, we are settling the score, okay? In order to begin with, you need to settle that. I apologize if I messed you up in the startup. That's how jumbled messages do come, okay? So thanks for the likes though, okay? I'm getting the Taurus views also high, like Aquarius and other signs. But let's start again. Someone is saying, I knew, okay? So you have your bottom energy, second last card as the High Priest. It's like tap on the shoulder, and here we go. Taurus. Wow. The third last card is Six of Wands energy, which is like, I am getting the message of like a homecoming, okay? It's victorious celebration, it's feeling happy. Eight of Wands energy, this could be sudden in your life. Movement, communication, someone visiting you, you visiting someone. It's going to be really fast. Someone is taking flight as well here. Okay, I see movement in emotional thing. I did one of the readings of Taurus wherein I said that, though these are timeless readings, okay, so the time frame that I gave there may go for you in this time frame as well, because these may stretch. And that I said that emotional connectivity, it was like a flow, okay, emotional connection. So you are connecting with people. Let's see, karmically connected with you, karma, okay? You know them. Let's see your overall energy. Interesting. Please give us the energy for Taurus. Oh no. Oh no. Six of Cups energy. Where you feel happy, you're returning home, or you're home, or someone is coming home. Okay, this may be a family having children. This may be your own childhood. Maybe you're visiting somewhere. This is a memory lane. I told you about emotional connections and emotional flow here. That is here, Six of Cups. Also, there is someone you're going to hear out after a big pause, or after a big hit that happened possible. This was a cutoff possible. This was something that stopped both of you not to talk. Someone is talking with someone here, which will be the resurgence. It's, yeah, Six of Cups, so maybe even love. Let's see your overall energy. So you have this attitude, okay? Zero the Fool energy, beginning, free. I feel you're very, very light in this time frame. You're feeling like, I'm going, okay? So this may be journey. This may be where you are loved. This may be the place that someone is being loved. So your overall energy is Zero the Fool. It is about the beginnings. It is about, I am hearing let's go, let's move, journey, loyalty. I feel like this is someone who is or was your so close, loyal friend, and you're hearing from them after a long time. This may be even a patch up. This may be reunion, okay? I can hear that buckle up, so maybe a trip, or buckle up, something is about to happen in your life. Most probably it is resurgence, most probably it's love of family members, of your parents, of your children, of your lover, however it goes for you. Love connects us all. Let's see what this Zero the Fool, no, these are so many. No, I think they want me to take these cards. But they came in a weird position, okay? There might be a Virgo in your life, the Hermit, but it's like, let's become butterfly. It is something connected with let's come out of the cave. Now here, listen to me. You have Three of Cups energy and the Wheel of the Year. I heard two things, okay? You're getting this reversed, but I'm going to give you the message anyhow. You are getting this reversed, okay? I think like you are leaving certain kind of feeling connected with the reunion, okay? And that's when it's going to come out. That's when someone is looking for you. Many of you are getting free from this kind of situation, okay? But I don't know why I feel like you're missing someone bad, and it's the time frame that is delaying or got delayed, and that is why it's like someone over here is making a move, you or them. If it is connected with friends reunions, it's been an year you people never got into contact, or you never met, okay, because of the pandemic as well, as you know. But it's like the high look out, okay? That's what I'm hearing. I'm also seeing that because of the Ten of Wands energy and all that stuff, it's like break free. It's like getting free from some, I don't know, I'm hearing stupid ideas or stupid connections, or people who just pretend to be friends or camouflaged or were fake in somehow the energy form. It's like you are looking up and you are like, okay, I release you, I free you. I feel like you're waiting from an year, and if it is not happening in the time frame of like 26th till 2, it's going to manifest further. So its reunion might happen after this time frame in coming 3 days or 3 weeks. What? Okay, but I definitely see what I said to you. To begin with, let's see why these are reversed. Okay, you have the Empress. There is someone who is important, first thing, or someone who controls the area, which is about you need to listen to them. Okay, that's why maybe things are getting delayed. But you have Karma and Ten of Pentacles. It is the connection. Okay, some of you might be trying to get free from or something is getting delayed, need not to worry, because this is all connected. Okay, this is what is going to come. There's going to be a call back, there's going to be lift up energy, there's going to be something that will bring people together. It's like family, karmically connected, coming together. It is also something that I prayed for, and that's what will be given to you. There's a weird energy to these cards. There's Three of Cups and the Wheel of Ear. I heard that you haven't heard, or maybe you heard but you haven't seen them. I feel like this in this last year, right from 2020, even in 2021, this time frame, you have realized that who was your real, who was karmically connected, what cases are closed, and what is more important to you. Okay, so this time frame you have learned to stabilize your freedom, your individuality, your money, your home, your real relationships. You have a dog. You have a dog. Golden Retriever, if I'm not wrong, that breed, gold color, exactly. I also see something is after an year coming true, which may be about the birth. Okay, so things change. You are in a new phase, like a new journey is beginning. If you're a female energy, listen to my reading. Yeah, celebration happened. Possible something got delayed and now it's going to be manifested. Three energies coming together, and three energies again coming together. So maybe we are talking about a nuclear family, father, mother and child, or maybe this is about three important ladies in your life. Yeah, three important. So maybe your grandmother, your mother, your aunts. Okay, we talk about in India, we talk about it as in Masi, like mother like. So aunts. Okay, emotional phase. Yeah, maybe a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, Queen. She does love you very much. Maybe you have family, home with someone. Maybe this is about a celebration here. This is also a celebration you've been waiting to. Okay, what is that you want to say? Very weird. I think they want me to take my own deck and take few cards on this. Okay, something was delayed, and I had that concept of what was getting delayed. But you people are karmically connected. So I feel like karma and Ten of Pentacles is a callback. It is also about manifesting things already decided between you and the person, and it's going to be possible connected with the ring. That's what the celebration we're talking about. Possible this is already the bond, possible this is about to happen. It's like a ascension, it's confession, it's surrendering. Okay, so I feel with the Wheel of the Year and Three of Cups, what got delayed or never happened, or happened but was a ring ceremony or something, and marriage or something, it's like a bigger something was in a delay. Okay, in this year it's going to happen. Maybe it's about the moon phases. Okay, there may be a Piscean. It is about the ring, definitely. Some of you are doing this confession here, or you are going to get that, and then it's about the Fool energy, and I'm free from this concept. The reason is that there's a knock at the door, someone was holding the knob, there's a celebration mode, there's someone who is possible doing the reservation, there's also something to begin with energy. As I said, it's coming together, coming together. Okay, so you got an apology. Someone's gonna be before your eyes. I said so. There's a travel, there's someone who is traveling, or they are going to, or you're going to. However, before your eyes, someone is coming and they are going to be in front of you. Now, reason. There's a lot that was delayed possible because of the pandemic and reasons, but there is assurance, or let's just say reassurance, coming in your relationship, because first card is ECG, my electrocardiograph. It is something connected with the hearts beating fast. Okay, there's going to be, okay, it's something, someone who is coming to restart something where they left, and it is just about and apology as well. It is connected with heart. Someone is sorry. Someone does want to apologize. Someone is sorry because it got delayed. Someone is sorry because they always wanted to do this. So maybe this is the proposal coming. Both of you love one another, and before your eyes is definitely coming. There is some kind of bond, a contract possible, because it's also work related. But for most of you, it is like certain kind of apology coming, karmically connected, and this is what I see. Let's see in your future. Because I feel in your present call, it is karma, it is 10 of Pentacles, settlements, work related, what never, settled or got delayed. However, oh my God, very interesting reading. Someone will be before your eyes. Let's see in your future though. Souls and spirits. I see a tap here. Ta-ta-ta-ta. And you have the Emperor. I still feel very uneasy, like someone is tapping on my shoulder. Okay, yeah, I'll give them the energy form. And you have the Emperor, Aries maybe, or might be, but with the Aries, it's like confirmation. Someone is getting awakened. They are coming to hold the situation. They committed. This is a commitment. They committed it. Okay, so this commitment is not going either from your side or from their side. They told you, they're getting it on track. Let's see one more card. And I also feel with Zero, the Fool energy, it's about freeing yourself from anything that was lingering on, an apology, and saying, okay, I release it. Things getting light, loyalty coming in. Four of Wands energy, yes, it's here. Yes, they're there. Someone is coming up with a commitment to reassure and assure, and holding their position. Please give me the one. What is that? I think this is your card. Okay. Boom. You have Two of Cups energy. It's a boom. It's rings coming together. It's lovers coming together. It's reunion. It is beautiful. And this is like no one is shy. Just look at the card. It's like no one is shy though, where they are happy. They're celebrating. Ooh. You know what? The gestures and expressions, they do come. They're like, oh, and they're real. Because you have Four of Wands energy, 11/11 celebration. Something will be celebrated, okay? It's a get-together. It's kindred spirits coming together, lovers coming together, a certain kind of celebration in your family. Maybe your birthday month, okay? And it is also something connected with people are hugging you and telling you, oh, we're sorry, we love you, happy birthday, or certain kind of celebration coming together. Okay, there's a surprise also. Four of Wands energy is definitely your stability, your homecoming, feeling victorious, committing, getting married, getting engaged. And if you are with your person, okay, there's a total control of your situation. Maybe you are controlling it. It's like giving life. That's it. Happy to give you those messages, and something is going to be before your eyes. Maybe a surprise. Four of Wands energy in the last format. It's so beautiful. It's like, I know, assurance, love, family man, family woman. But maybe for many of you, it's like a man energy, male energy, because that's what they're waking up from. Maybe this is you, maybe this is them. Interesting. Okay. I hope this is going to help you. Take care. And someone know you so well. They know you so well. Bye.